environment, settlement, transport, and communication. It may be noted that the towns perform more than one function. So let's see what function they do. By transport, we mean the free flow of traffic and goods from one place to another. Transport is the lifeblood of trade, and it is the most important factor in the advancement of civilization. The development of transportation has brought the different parts of world in close touch with one another. Dogs and reindeers are used in tundra region for transportation. Camel is still the dominant mode of transport in desert. In Tibetan highlands, lambas are used as beasts of burden. In many parts, horses and donkeys are used in transportation. In some parts, human beings themselves are the mode of transport, carrying goods on their head or back. In the tropical dense forest areas, elephants are pressed into service for carrying goods. Roads are one of the important modes of transport over short distance. The roads are a very flexible mode of transport as they come up to our doorstep. The density of road transport is very high in USA. The USA has nearly one-third of the total road mileage of the world. It also has a long-distance highways. We can travel through freeways in USA for uninterrupted driving. Europe, Western Europe, European part of Russia, southern eastern parts of China, Argentina has good networks. In Australia, the southern and eastern part has also a good network of roads. In India, road density is still low as compared to many countries of the world. Railways are the most important means of surface transport. The construction of railway lines is easy at plain region but difficult at hill region, at the equatorial region. Main cause of dense network at railways in Western Europe, East Central America, and African continent is the industrial development. India has the fourth largest network of railways in the world. Some transcontinental railways have also been built. The Trans-Siberian Railway Line is the world's longest railway line. It connects Moscow on one side and Vladivostok on the other. The Trans-Caspian Railway Line connects Central Asia with European Russia. The Canadian Pacific Railway connects Halifax on the Atlantic coast with Vancouver on the Pacific coast via Montreal and Winnipeg in Canada. The Trans-Canadian Railway Line connects Buenos Aires with Valparaiso. It is that mode of transport which is operated upon the sea water, rivers, etc. Water transport is the cheapest mode of transport. It is used to transport bulky goods. Water transport interconnects different countries of the world, and it is highly useful to promote international trade. Inland waterways. Rivers are the most important highways of commerce. In Europe, River Rhine of Germany is perhaps the most important navigable river. The rivers Seine and Loire of France are also very valuable as commercial waterways. In North America, Great Lakes provide a suitable water transport along with St. Lawrence River. In USA, rivers Missouri and Mississippi carry immense volume of traffic throughout the year. In Africa, River Nile is navigable only in its lower reaches. In South America, River Amazon is a very voluminous river. Ocean transport. It is the more economical way for international trade. Let's study the important ocean routes. North Atlantic Ocean route is the most busy traffic route among all the ocean routes. The Panama Canal route connects Pacific Ocean with Atlantic Ocean. Suez Canal is the second most important ocean transport route. Air transport is the quickest mode of transport. The amount of air traffic in the USA exceeds all other countries. There are more than 7,000 civil airports in the USA. The USA is connected with almost all the important countries of the world by air routes. Great Britain, France, Germany, and other European countries have also developed air traffic linking many countries of the world. Because of invention in communication system, the whole world becomes one big family. The print media such as radar and satellite also becomes popular communication media. Summary. A settlement may be defined as a cluster of houses where people live. A rural settlement has a large number of people engaged in primary occupations like agriculture, fishing, cattle rearing, mining, etc. An urban settlement has a large number of people engaged in secondary or tertiary occupations like trade, transportation, industry, etc. Urban settlements are compact and large in size. Urban centers have almost all the amenities of life and they perform non-agricultural functions such as transport, industry, education, hospitals, trade, administration, etc. Water transport is the cheapest mode of transport. It is used to transport bulky goods. Railways are the most important means of surface transport. That is all about settlement, transport and communication in this lesson. Learning is fun, so keep learning.